this always causes water damage. So I'm going to show you all the damage. You see this right here? You can actually see it. And it's all along this wall. There's some sort of bug over there. The window's open. So you see all that damage? Look at that. It comes from this technology. There it is, more damage. And see, these are fireproof buildings. So the damage that it causes, to me, means that it would make the building less safe. Look at that. All of that damage. So I just wanted to show you that. Let me pause this and show you the ceiling. This is the ceiling. And this is where I am at night. And you can see the gashes in the ceiling. Look at that. This is the same shaped gash that comes on my head when I show you guys, and on my body. So you can see all this damage it did because it uses some sort of water. You see that right there? So the water causes the damage, and the place where they must have their device is right here. You see that? Because when I'm sitting down, I can feel it, like they can make the temperature thing cold and then warm. And so let me just show you all of this damage. Along the ceiling. There's more damage right there. You see that? So let me take you into the bedroom and show you the damage in the bedroom ceiling. Let me just give you one more look at this. Okay, so let me pause this and take you into the bedroom. Okay, so this is part of when I realized something was going on, because you can see it looks like something was being dragged, and I would hear it sound like a rowing sound, like, or pulling sound, and it was dragging across the bedroom ceiling. So just like in the living room where there's like a spot where there's damage, you see how there's a crack. That crack goes all the way across. Do you guys see that crack up? I'm not going to zoom in on it, but I think you guys can see it. And then here's like the crack. So it goes all the way across. I don't know if you guys see it. There you go. I think that focuses in it. You see how big that crack looks? Now I'll zoom in. See if I can get it. It's gonna be hard for me to try to see. Oh, there it is. So you see that. You see that crack. So it goes from one corner over here through to the middle of the room. And let me see if I can get a closer look at the place where I sit. It has that gash in the ceiling. And there's another crack over here. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see. There's another crack over there. Then there's a crack down the wall. So whatever they're doing causes all of these cracks. You see that? I don't want to mess up it more, but you can tell it's not, it's a crack. See that? And let me pause this and show you something else. This is a crack leading to the bathroom, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Again, these are cracks. It's not a mark, it's a crack. Let me pause this and show you something else. Here's another one of those gashes. This is in the bathroom. You see it there? And more water damage. And you can see the water damage. So I just wanted to show you a close-up of these gashes in the ceiling. They're deep. They're deep. You see that? Here's my fingernail, and you can tell it's pretty deep. There's another one over there. This is the crack. And it's always where I am. So you see the crack. Because I think it uses, this technology uses some sort of water. I'm going to let you guys see the reading for the ceiling, for the EMF reading. I'll put it as my thumbnail. Thanks for watching.